Are we probably gonna see some nature out here?
You're literally standing in nature, you idiot.
Shush up, dead grandma girl.
Hey, class, come look at this really pretty rock that I found.
Oh, wow, that's boring. This is some really pretty nature, huh?
Okay.
Sasha, stop eating the wildlife. Hey, Sasha, did you want to see the pretty rock?
Okay, yeah.
Oh, remember, Sasha, we don't eat... Sasha just bit the rock. Ow! Something bit me! Teacher, it's a snake! A snake? What kind?
I'm okay.
Okay. Sasha just caught the snake!
Okay, yeah.
Put that...
Look, it's my dead